All right, so I went ahead and got the YouTube channel API key inserted. And so this should work. I have not tried this code as yet. Again, trying to do this stuff in real time so I could work through the problems as I kind of encounter them. So we're gonna try to upload a video now to YouTube. So let's see if this bad boy will work. So first we need to copy that. We need to Python. And we need to paste that. We need to go out to the internet. Excuse me. Need to go to the internet. Need to go to YouTube. Then we need to switch to, no, that's right. That's correct. We need to go to the content. We need to go to YouTube Studio. And then we need to go to content. And then we need to, oh, I don't have a description. Oh, right, this is a draft video that I do, just a test video. So why don't we delete this? Because this is not, that was just a, okay, so the last video that I have is this PNG versus GIMP, which has 0 views at this particular moment. And the goal is now is that this file, here, along with this description, this summarization, and you know what, let's just put a tag of pip dwainbrowne, just so we have something, so we know that it works, right? And then we're going to try to run this YouTube script. Okay, we got an error. What is the error? Again, this is normal when you're programming. You're just going to have errors, and you just got to figure out how to do with it. Luckily, you have Chat GPT now, so you don't even have to figure out what the hell this is saying, right? But we'll try to decipher it first before we put all of our eggs in Chat GPT. So it says module JSON load. Okay, so it's missing the, I think it's missing this JSON module, if it's what I would, right? I think that's what it's saying. So pip JSON, is that a thing? So why did we, okay, I guess it's not a thing. I don't know. I don't program in Python every day, so this is kind of foreign to me. So we'll take that, we'll go over to Chat GPT. We'll say, hey man, got a problem, fix it. So Chat GPT is like, I'm getting an error. Oh, you know what? We're in Chat GPT 3. We gotta upgrade this. I don't know if it's gonna find this. Let's find out. Okay. So this error occurs when JSON contains ASCII characters that cannot be. I see. So we gotta encode it differently. So here. No. Copy. Can't read the JSON properly. Oh wait, hang on. Make sure that we can put back this file here. So you know what it is. Is this correct? And the errors are different. Oh, okay, so maybe my JSON is invalid. It's possible. Keep suggesting the same thing, so maybe I got a problem in here. Let's find out. So we're gonna open with, let's open it with this. It looks correct. I don't see any single thing that's wrong per se. Well, let's just go to the internet. Paste. Process. Yep, valid JSON. So what's the issue? Metadata here. So we're file folder name. That's the problem. Yes. Sorry. We forgot to point the meta file to the right JSON. So we were actually trying to load the MP3 file as JSON, which makes no sense. That's why I was complaining about that. Okay. No news is good news. What do we got? Your default credentials were not found. Okay, that's good. It means Google is saying, hey, I don't have the right credentials to upload your thing. So what are you trying to do here? That's good. We're going to go back to Chat GPT. We're going to be like, hey, no. This indicates that your SDK credentials are not set up correctly. To use the YouTube API in Python, you need to authenticate with the API using your Google Cloud SDK credentials. Go to Google Cloud Console, yes, if you don't have a project yet. Create one by clicking Select Project. From the drop-down menu, navigate to the new project console. Just create it. Go to APIs and Service section. Click Credentials. Click Credentials. And select Service Account Key. Follow the prompts. Download the key as a JSON file and save it somewhere safe. Set the Google application credentials environment variables to the path. Okay, got it. Okay, understood. Okay, so basically what Google is saying is that you don't have the right credentials in order to make this happen. Like you just don't have a way to upload files. So in order for this to happen, you need to go into our server. You need to generate a credential. You need to put it somewhere on your computer locally. Once you have it locally in your computer, you need to point your Google credentials to that particular path so that it's stored in a private location, and then only then will we be able to authenticate you uploading to the file. So I actually do have a Google account, and I have a few of them. Now I'm not going to use these ones because I don't really know. So I'm going to use my business account, but here's where I have to actually kind of not show some of this stuff because there's a lot of sort of sensitive information inside here. So I'm going to pause this for a bit, and I'm going to pause this for a bit, and then I'm going to go do this stuff, and then I'll see what I could share and not, just because of some security purposes. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and the only way that I know how to do this live is basically I logged into my account, and what you need to do next is basically once you get into the Google console, you just click on this credentials, and then you just got to click on